Welcome to the CloudXentral video tutorials. Today we're going to take a look at the call pickup feature on our phone system. Let's get started with this tutorial. If a call comes in but the person who is supposed to take the call isn't there at the moment, there's a way to take that call from your own phone extension. This is through the call pickup function. If your phone system is set up by departments or call groups, only a person in that same department can pick up the call that is ringing. You can do this by dialing *8 on your keypad. If your phone system does not have departments or groups set up, anyone can pick up the call by dialing *8. If there are multiple calls coming in at once, the system will automatically give you the oldest ringing incoming call first. This function will also work on our desktop and mobile apps as well. Now let's assume there are several calls coming in, and you would like to pick up calls from a particular extension because that person isn't there. In that case, you may dial *88 plus the extension number. In this case, I want to cover for Jack at extension 202, so I'll dial *88202. This is one way to handle incoming calls, though depending on your needs, you can also automate call handling for incoming calls with call queues or ring groups, or use the call parking feature, which we'll talk about in a future video. Contact your administrator for more information and details about these tools. They will help you by recommending tools that best fit your particular needs. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials, give us a like to let us know it was helpful. And if you're not using our CloudXentral business tools, visit our website at cloudcentral.com for more information about the many communication tools we offer to help your business become more effective and thus more successful. See you soon.